Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be learning the health benefits of miracle leaf. Some call it leaf of life, some call it wonder leaf. So in today's video, you'll be learning how to use miracle leaf and the benefits of miracle leaf. So let's get started. For blood pressure patients, don't worry, miracle leaf got you covered. Tested and trusted. Just get 4 pieces of miracle leaves. Rinse it very well. Just 4 pieces. Then rinse it very well. After rinsing it, chew it early in the morning. Then for diabetes, if you are suffering from diabetes, chew it early in the morning and night. Chew it early in the morning and night. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click the subscribe button, like and turn on notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Miracle leaf or leaf of life also works as weight loss. Yeah, so sit tight as we dive in on how to use miracle leaves for weight loss. Get some miracle leaves. I'm getting this large quantity because after boiling it, I'm going to store it in my fridge. I'm not going to consume all at a time. So if you want to take all or consume all at a time, just get a little quantity of it, not this much. Get a quantity of it, then rinse it very well. After rinsing it, you can use your kettle, you can use your pot to boil it. Whatever you want to use in boiling your miracle leaf, you can use it. Just put some leaf, put your miracle leaf in it, then add water to it. After adding water to it, allow it to boil for 5 minutes. Allow it to boil for 5 minutes. Then after boiling, you allow it to cold. Then extract your juice. You can extract it to your plate. You can extract it to your teacup. Yes. So after extracting it to your teacup, you are going to add ginger, honey, original honey, and lemon. Please add 2 tablespoons of lemon. Just 2 tablespoons of lemon to your juice, and after that, add original honey. You can get your original honey in a Gregory shop or anywhere you can get original honey. Then get original honey. Add 1 tablespoon of original honey to your juice and stir it very well. Please stir it very well. I did not add ginger to my juice because I did not have ginger in the house, but I do add ginger to my juice. Please add ginger to your juice for weight loss. Add ginger to it. So some that does not know what ginger looks like, before the end of the video, I'm going to show you what ginger looks like. Yeah, it will display on the screen. Yes, see what ginger looks like. So add ginger to it and take your juice for weight loss. You can take it in the morning and you can take it at night. Once you can take it in the morning, early in the morning, or you can take it at bedtime. Yes, once a day for weight loss. Then for cough and cold for babies, get some miracle leaf. Warm it on the fire. If you can't warm it on the fire direct, you can just steam it with your pot, but don't add water to it. Just steam it for a little bit. Okay, the reason of warming your miracle leaf directly on the fire, or you can steam it with your pot, anyhow you want to do it. The reason is for you to be able to extract your juice easily. Okay, then after steaming it, allow the miracle leaf to cold. Once it is cold, you will extract the juice from the miracle leaf. Then after extracting the juice, make sure you have original honey in the house, or you can get original honey from any vendor, but make sure it is original honey. Yes, You add 1 tablespoon of original honey to your extracted juice, then stir it very very well. Then after stirring it, you will now give it to your baby for cough and cold. It is very very effective. It works wonders. Yes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos, for more useful and effective videos. Thank you. Bye.